I'm gonna be doing an installation video on some towing mirrors for a 1500 Ram. The company they come from is from Yita Motor. Be sure to go check them out. Already opened them up, and this is what comes with the. Comes pretty well packaged actually. This is what comes with the package. Pretty much, I mean, it's pretty much plug and play. You use the same screws that are on the original ones, OEM. These are very well high quality. We'll be switching them out. Mirrors, I think I'm gonna need to take this screw, that screw, this one as that one, this one, and I'm not sure if it has one here. The tow mirror, well, the screws are, it's actually this one and like two more in here. So gotta, of all the screws, pull this up. You disconnect all the harness, the wires that are connected to it. These are the ones that you're gonna need to take off. These are the ones that are holding in the tow mirrors or the mirrors, whatever. So you gotta pretty much take these off and take the mirrors out, put the new ones in, pretty much tie them back up, and then put your door assembly thingy back together. Pretty much you'll be ready to go. Just remember to plug in your wires where they're. Put your new mirrors in. You already tying the bolts up. Make sure you connect the wires back where you took them off from. Once you do that, you'll be ready to put your door assembly back together, and always make sure to double check that your controls work good and all that. Pretty much, so once you've pretty much put everything back together, make sure that everything works. Make sure you didn't forget to connect nothing, that your mirrors, that they work. Now, you gotta repeat the same process onto the other side. Make sure you put the caps, everything, the screws, so you didn't lose none. Just repeat the process. Look, once you've installed it, this is the tow mirrors from Yita Motors. Make sure to check them out. Post the link down in the description so y'all can check it out. I'll also leave a discount code so y'all can get some money off and save some. Thank y'all for watching.